Azerbaijan has just taken a giant leap forward in military aviation. On September 25, President Ilham Aliyev proudly inspected the first JF-17 Block III fighter jet delivered to Azerbaijan's Air Force. Assembled at the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, these jets were meticulously crafted to give Azerbaijan a significant edge in regional air power. Vice Marshal Hakim Raza highlighted the impressive specs of the JF-17 Block III. This single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft is designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, boasting high maneuverability and powerful firepower. Reports indicate Azerbaijan has possibly ordered around 30 of these cutting-edge fighters, a move that could retire their aging MiG-29 fleet. Why is this a big deal? The JF-17 Block III outclasses the region's current fighters. Iran and Turkey rely on older fourth-generation jets like the F-16 Block 52 and MiG-29A, while Armenia and Russia deploy more modern but still outdated 4+ generation fighters like the Su-30SM. The JF-17, however, features an advanced electronically scanned array radar and sophisticated missile classes like the PL-10 and PL-15, giving it a distinct technological advantage. Despite these advantages, it's not all smooth sailing. The JF-17 Block III, being one of the smallest fighters, has a radar much smaller than those on heavyweight fighters like the Su-30SM. This means its situational awareness is somewhat limited. Its flight performance is also modest, but its air-to-air missiles are vastly superior, especially against Iranian and Turkish fighters lacking advanced targeting tech. One of the JF-17 Block III's biggest selling points is its cost-effectiveness. The operational costs and maintenance are a fraction of those for larger fighters, making it affordable for Azerbaijan to train a large pool of pilots extensively. The aircraft, although developed in China, is produced for export primarily by Pakistan, ensuring modern capabilities at a low cost. In summary, Azerbaijan's acquisition of the JF-17 Block III marks a significant upgrade in their Air Force capabilities. This move not only strengthens their defensive posture, but also sets a new standard in the region's military aviation landscape. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development.